2024 Premier 250 Solaris rear lounge, sitting in a black lower stripe, white top stripe, and black rail. Has a black power bimini, sitting on a black tandem axle trailer. Solaris is a trim level above our Sensation series and includes a couple cool things that we'll detail here as I go through the boat. But this is a 25-footer with the triple tube setup. It's on the PTX hull, and it's a great looking boat. I love this color scheme. I think out of all of them we've built so far, these black and white schemes just always look really nice. An indicator that this is a Solaris from the outside is that the bow gate swoops down lower than the Sensation series. Gives the boat kind of that sleek look from the front end. Sleek, if that's what you want to call it. It's still a pontoon boat. And obviously they put the Solaris badging there on the front. Another bit, and it's kind of hard to tell because it's bright in here, but this does include the exterior LED lighting package. So you have these down facing lights under the rub rail, and then we have the upward facing lights in the side rails, which we put the white on the top for a reason, because at night you're going to turn those lights on and that blue light's going to shine up and reflect on the white very nicely, and I think it's going to look super cool at nighttime on the water. We equipped this boat with the 300 horsepower Yamaha. It's a V6. That is going to push this boat across the lake plenty fast. And these are extremely reliable engines that are smooth and have great performance. Again, sitting on a PTX hull, you're going to see that center tube is not a tube, it's an actual center hull. With our V in the middle, so it's going to give you a softer ride, but it has the reverse chines on the outside to create lift and divert spray without adding more drag to the boat. So you can expect better performance as far as top end speed, better fuel economy, and a better softer rough water ride. We have these stainless steel rails around the back for this layout, and you can hook the chain across, so it's legal to sit back here while you're underway. We also have a port side entry exit gate on the boat. We did option on the black rub rail. Pairs nicely with the look of the boat. And a ricochet ladder. So these things, when you take off, they flip up automatically. Premier specific feature. Alright, and as we hop into the interior, to start, we do have the lighted ski tow bar. So all the LEDs in the boat change color, so they all match all the time. So your exterior lighting, your interior lighting on the speakers, and the ski tow bar are all going to have the same color, and it's full RGB, so fully adjustable. We'll play with that in a second. This being the rear lounge / RL seating layout, we do have the transformable rear lounge in this boat. So as you can see, we have the double bench seating arrangement going right now, and you can simply lift up on the center of these seats to either pull them to face forwards or go completely flat, and you can make this into a giant bed. So a lot of versatility with this seating layout. You have cup holders and storage compartments back here for your crew. Set my camera down real quick. And ample storage underneath. They do have the co-captain's lounges on here and the elevated helm. I didn't talk about interior colors. We have slate teak as our flooring. This is the first time we've ordered one with the slate teak. So it has kind of that striped pattern, which I think looks really good on that woven vinyl material. Our interior vinyl is in mountain gray, So you have kind of a two-tone gray, the charcoal, and the lighter tone on the seat bases. And then we have Arctic Diamond as our accent vinyl, and it's got the perforated material, which looks nice. Co-captain seat here, like I said, does have cup holders and speakers over here. This has a really nice JL audio system, has 6 interior speakers and a sub and an amp powering all of it. Subs in the back, and this thing sounds amazing. I mean, anything JL is really nice, but having that sub gives you a little extra bass. So we make our way over to our helm. This is one of the differences, or bigger differences, coming from a Sensation to this boat, is that you're going to have a different helm setup. Namely, we have the dual Simrad displays here, and these are customizable. So for example, I have my map on the left side now, and my gauges on the right. You can flip-flop this, and if you take this thing out on the ocean, you've got all the Coast Guard features and charting features that you could need. But it's nice to be able to flip-flop and customize your dash setup a little bit. On the left, we do have the JL head unit charging ports here. On the right side, we have a wireless clamping phone charger, and then a refrigerated cup holder, which I just turned this on just to see how cold it got, and it is freezing cold to the touch, so that is super cool. Keep your beverages chilled while you're out on a hot day. Switches for everything else. The Yamaha 300 does come with the electric shift from Yamaha, so a much smoother action than your standard mechanical, and you got some different modes on there that you can use. You can speed up and down the click of a button once you lock the speed in, so on and so forth. And then we have down low, we have our Yamaha screen that comes with the controls. That's going to show us some engine diagnostics, your fuel flow, economy, your battery voltage, so on and so forth, engine temp, everything's there. You have a nice cover to go over it if you're not looking at that. On top of the dash, we have storage, so I've got our covers for the Simrad system and our head unit stored in there at the moment, but great storage spot. Down below, we can open up and we have our paper towel holder and some storage underneath the helm. Oh, I didn't even talk about the lights. Let me, so we're in blue right now. You can turn the wheel here. You can see all the colors changing. So say, let's go green. And there you go. You've got green on the outside of the boat as well. So I love that feature. I think it looks cool. Ski locker, you can open that up. There's tons of room down here. Storage runs from here all the way back to basically where that seat starts. And great spot for skis, wakeboards, boat cover. Obviously the table's down there right now. And a nice wide opening to access anything you put down there. Also a great spot for a cooler. I think I said that in every video so far, but it is true. You may be asking where the trash can is located. Well, we don't have just one, but 2 trash cans that tilt out there. Full-size trash cans. And a little storage compartment above. Underneath our seats, ample storage here, self-supporting hinges. See, we have the boat fenders up there. Our boat cover is here. And in our side inlays, we do have wireless phone chargers on both sides. Nice clear gate up front, so you have good visibility when you're parking the boat. And that's a little lower gate than we have on the Sensation series. You have a dog that likes to ride along, they'll be able to hang their head over the gate and see where they're going. We're really nice setup on this 250 250 Solaris. Pretty boat, has all the fun features. Hit us up here at the shop at N3. If you have any questions, you can reach us at 317-845-9253. Come check out this 250 Solaris. Thanks for watching.